We'll guide you through how to save a Canva design or project to a Word document and open it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's the Canva design or project that I want to convert and open in Word. Links to this full guide step by step so you know exactly how you do this. For whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps it's a certain feature in Word you want to go and use, or you want to go and share it with somebody else and they want to go and edit it in Word. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So as I said, don't skip anything as we're covering important things throughout this whole guide. So to go and get started, go and open it up in Canva as you can see. So this has got multiple pages here. In your case, it may only be one, it doesn't matter. Now what we need to do is go and head to the top right. There you go and find the share button, which you can then go and click on. Come down to this second section here and you want to go and find the option for download. And then at the top, you can press file type. Now you've probably already been through this list and you're going to go and see there's no option for Word. Don't worry, you can still go and do this. We're going to walk you through this step by step. So watch this full guide. So what you want to do is you want to go and select PDF standard like so. Now keep all of these unselected and what you can do is go and choose the pages. I'm doing them all. And then what you can do is you can go and press download at the bottom like so. Now go and wait. And it's going to go and download onto your computer. Now you're going to see it as a PDF, potentially may open up, may not, it doesn't matter. Now there are different ways you can do this for the next step. The first way is you can go and open up a new tab. You want to go and search for a site called I Love PDF like so and search for it and go to ilovepdf.com. Here you want to go and find the option for PDF to Word and what you want to do is go and click on it like so. Now in this case, if it's something very sensitive, you may not like this option, so we'll show you another option in a moment, but click here. Then you can go and press select PDF file, we'll come to our downloads, and you can select it and go and press open. Now we're going to go and see it here, and what you want to do is press convert to Word in the bottom right, and you can press download Word. Now it's going to download it. I can click on it, and it's going to go and open up in Word, as you can see. And then what you can do is go and continue editing it to your liking and add things, etc. Of course, make sure you save any changes you make. Alternatively, what you can do is you can come to the bottom and press search and go and type in Word and you can go and click on it like so. Now, what you want to do, I'll just make this full screen, is you can come to the left and go and press open. Then you can go and press browse. Then you want to come to your downloads and go and find the PDF and you want to go and select it like this. And then you can go and press open. You're going to go and get a pop-up saying Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. So go and press OK and it'll then go and convert it. And that's it. You may go and find that I Love PDF is a better job or you may find Word is a better job. So you can decide what works best. And then we can go and save this. So go and press File in the top left and go down and press Save As and press Browse. And you can then go and name it what you want to. Then we can go and press Save and now it's saved as a Word doc. That's it.